Yeah, that's a really. Give her kiss on the cheek.
Oh, she got a kiss on the knee.
And give her a kiss on the cheek.
Look at how
It's her
dirty her
toes.
feet are.
Oh, dirty her feet are.
Her little piggies.
Ew, Audrey.
She must have been walking around already.
Oh, her toesies are cold. Oh, her dogs are warm. Yeah, that's the bed. Well, we have to have that when we go in the hallway.
Daddy got in trouble with people last night about
Yeah, Daddy got in trouble because he carried you out in the hallway and he was not supposed to do that. Yeah.
Yeah, she looks way different than Zoe.
See, look at the cheeks. See, I've had cheeks for weeks. I'm supposed to keep up with those cheeks. Aww, that was so precious. Aww, you're so sweet. Aww. Say, Audrey, you gonna wake up? Aww. Your sister's gonna give you 1,000 kisses before you even open your eyeballs.
Can you look at me, Zoe, and wave?
Look at, say hi, Debbie. Say hi, Debbie. Say, this is
You're
my
worse than
sister.
the cops.
Hello. What? Oh yeah, because she had to poke her 1, 2, 3 times.
Well, I wish you'd look at me, Zoe. I wish you'd look at me a little bit. Over in the window.
Zoe, look
Zoe,
at Debbie.
look
I'm
at
in the
Debbie.
window,
Look
Zoe.
at Debbie.
Hey,
Where's Debbie?
I'm in the window. Zoe, hey!
There she is. Say, there she is. How do you do? Right?
Okay, we'll say goodbye.